They don't get tired. They don't need inspiration. They don't feel fear or doubt yet. They are writing faster than humans ever could. Articles, stories, emails, books. So the question is no longer, can AI write? The real question is, by 2026, will AI completely defeat human writing? Writing is more than a skill. It is how humans think, record ideas, and leave a mark on the world. For thousands of years, writing has shaped civilizations, preserved culture, and connected generations. But for the first time in history, machines can now write at a level that feels almost human. This changes everything. The question is no longer whether AI can write. The real question is what happens to human creativity when machines produce words faster than we ever could. AI does not think. It does not feel emotion, fear, or ambition. It has never experienced loss, joy, or uncertainty. AI writing works by learning patterns from massive amounts of text. When given a prompt, it predicts the most likely next word, then the next, and the next. That is why AI writing often sounds polished, confident, and professional. But behind that perfection, there is no intention, no belief, and no lived experience. Instead of guessing or exaggerating, we ran a simple test. Both a human writer and an advanced AI tool were given the same topic, the same instructions, and the same word limit. No editing, no improvements, just raw writing. The goal was not to see who writes faster, but to see how the writing feels when both are judged side by side. The human writer took time. There were pauses, revisions, and moments of doubt. The final text was not perfectly structured, but it felt personal. You could sense intention behind the words. There was vulnerability, belief, and a human presence that made the writing feel alive. It sounded like someone was speaking from experience, not just delivering information. The AI response appeared instantly. The sentences were clear, well-structured, and grammatically flawless. The tone was confident and professional. Everything made sense. But when read carefully, the writing felt safe. There was no risk, no unexpected thought, and no emotional tension. The content was correct, but predictable. When both pieces were compared, the differences became obvious. AI dominated in speed, consistency, and structure. It never hesitated and never made mistakes. But human writing stood out in originality and emotional depth. AI wrote what was expected. The human wrote what felt real. And in storytelling, surprise often matters more than perfection. There is an uncomfortable truth. Humans are already losing ground in many areas. SEO articles, emails, reports, and product descriptions are increasingly handled by AI. Because businesses prioritize speed and cost. AI is faster, cheaper, and scalable. By 2026, most informational content online will be AI-assisted. This is not a prediction. It is already happening. However, AI still has limits. It cannot draw from real-life experience. It cannot intentionally break rules to make a point. It cannot write with moral courage or personal risk. The most powerful human writing is often imperfect, emotional, and deeply personal. Audiences connect with honesty, not just clarity. This is where humans still have an edge. So who wins by 2026? The answer is not simple. AI will not completely replace human writers, and humans will not defeat AI either. The real winners will be those who combine both. Writers who use AI for speed and efficiency, but rely on human judgment, emotion, and meaning will dominate the future. If you are a student, creator, writer, or freelancer, the biggest mistake you can make is trying to fight AI. The smarter approach is to control it. AI should be a tool, not a voice. Your perspective, experience, and intent still matter. The future belongs to those who know how to guide technology, not fear it. The real danger is not that AI can write. The real danger is that humans stop thinking. Writing is not just about words. It is about meaning, responsibility, and truth. And when the question is asked, AI versus human writing, who wins in 2026? The answer is clear. Humans who evolve will always win. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Obscura Earth.